Managing stress is a priority for many, and while yoga, meditation, and mindfulness are excellent practices, ensuring you get the right vitamins can be a good starting point. Supplements can aid in stress management but should complement a healthy diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. For additional support, we consulted nutritionists on how vitamins and minerals impact stress and how to choose the best supplements. Below are our expert-approved selections for vitamins to manage stress. 1. Hum Big Chill, calming supplement with rhodiola rosea. Rhodiola rosea, an herb from Russia and Asia, stimulates the body's stress response system to boost stress resistance. A 2009 study found that after 28 days of supplementation, rhodiola reduced fatigue, lowered cortisol levels, and improved concentration. Jim White RDN, ACSM-XP, recommends a third-party tested rhodiola supplement by Hum for its verified effectiveness. 2. Claire Labs Magnesium Glycinate Complex. As opposed to magnesium oxide and sulfate, magnesium glycinate is better absorbed by the body, says White. Also, magnesium glycinate has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, so it may help reduce pain and inflammation in the body. Additionally, this brand is recommended by other dietitians and is best for anxiety, White explains. 3. Moon Juice Organic Ashwagandha Root Extract Powder. Ashwagandha, an adaptogen, helps manage stress by balancing cortisol levels. Studies show it reduces stress and anxiety more effectively than a placebo. This supplement contains only ashwagandha powder concentrate and is third-party tested for quality. 4. Integrative Therapeutics L-theanine Supplement, 200 mg, 60 capsules. L-theanine is an amino acid found in tea leaves, particularly green tea and loose leaf tea. Studies have shown that the consumption of green tea amino acid L-theanine may aid in reducing stress, although more research must be performed, says White. Other research suggests the supplement may improve cognitive functioning, as well. The best way to take L-theanine through a 200 mg dosage, White advises, which is why he recommends this particular product. 5. Now Liquid Vitamin D3, 2 ounce. Vitamin D is another crucial ingredient. Vitamin D is essential for mood regulation and mental health, says Snover. Research links low vitamin D levels to increased anxiety and depression, though it doesn't necessarily cause them. Both D2 and D3 support brain health, with serum concentration indicating vitamin D status. White recommends a budget-friendly, third-party verified brand but notes it contains coconut oil, so those with allergies should avoid it.